Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? If you like these videos, subscribe and hit the like button. I'm gonna take a ride down to I think it's Valley Stream, Sunrise Highway. Check out this cigar shop. But first I gotta get gas. All right, let's get going. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. If you guys are wondering about what I'm wearing under my vest, this is the Icon Field Armor shirt. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's very lightweight, all around mesh. Has this armor on it too in the front, back, the chest. Accidento. So I want to give a big shout out to Black City, my Black City riders, my brothers. What's up? Oh yeah, Corvette. That's nice. So, I have been wanting and thinking about doing this Iron Butt Challenge, the 1,000-mile Iron Butt Challenge. They have one that goes all around New York State. Just doing some research on it, watched a few YouTube videos on it. It looks tough, you know. It's 1,000 miles in 24 hours. I'm not crazy about riding at night, and you have to ride at night. So, but it seems like something to do. Some say you should do it by yourself, not with a group and not with somebody else, because what if one person wants to quit or just is too tired but feels compelled to keep going because the other guy is still going or the other rider is still going? You know, that's a possibility. Then the other guy has to quit too. Maybe he didn't want to. But if I do it, I think it'll be for the spring of 2021. I started watching this motovlogger. I hope I pronounced the name correct, but I'll put the link on the description. Her name is Whitmeza, if I pronounced that correct. She did the Iron Butt Challenge. I hope you all saw that. See how the engine just cuts out? It's really annoying. I think I'm gonna have to get the carburetor serviced or something. It had stopped for a while. Now it just happened out of the blue. Uh-oh. That could have gone bad. So getting back to the Iron Butt Challenge. I wonder how many of you guys out there have done it and completed it. I'd like to hear about it. You know, tell me about it in the comments. I'm really thinking about doing it. I'm here. That was a nice ride. I'll catch you guys later. All right, I'm back. That was a nice experience. I'm gonna link that name of the cigar shop in the description. So if anybody's in the neighborhood, Sunrise Highway, you know, stop on by, check it out. If you're into smoking cigars or you want to get into it. Whoa, this is a long ass light. Green Acres Mall. I haven't been here in a long time. Oh God, it did it again. It's so weird. It's making me angry. It's another accident? Damn. All right, so let me just say one last time, this field armor is awesome. It's from Icon. I got it from Revzilla. I've been using it during the summer. You know, it gives me a little bit of sense of protection, and it's light, it's airy, you don't feel so hot. I definitely recommend it for anybody who wants to get some extra protection under their riding jacket, which I'm going to use probably when it gets colder. Put it under my riding jacket. So yeah, the Iron Butt Challenge. You better get ready, because we're gonna do it. You know who you are. Oh. Did you see that? That's crazy. It happened again. All right, definitely I gotta take this in for service. So that's 3 times my engine has stalled on me while I'm riding.